Hey there, I just want to, I guess, warn or alert fellow pros of a bug and how to avoid it. So I've made a copy of a live site to illustrate this, and we'll go into the blog, and we'll go to edit the blog. And the problem is with rows, particularly inner rows, and the natural padding that appears automatically between columns within the rows. And over here on the preview you can see it's the same thing. We've got this nice natural padding between the rows. Now here's what happens. Actually, I'm going to just get out of here. And the problem presents itself anytime you go into Design and you look at the global rows settings and just looking at them. So I'm going to open this and look at it, not change anything, and then open this and look at it and not change anything. And I'm going to go back, and we go back into the blog, and it doesn't have to be a blog. This happens on regular pages as well. And there you can see, and over here as well, you can see that the padding has failed between these. And this has nothing to do with the settings that were in that Design tab. It's just the natural padding that so I can't go back to the Design tab and fix this. And just to show you, refresh this, I'll have to go back in. You can see, so this is the preview of the site's not launched, but so that has failed. So again, to avoid the grief that I'm going through right now on a couple of live sites, is do not go into your, that's a little bit slow. Look, do not go into your Design tab, and even just don't even go in and look at these, you know, then it shouldn't happen. But that's there. So yeah, be careful out there.